going on YouTube? It's Boost Tech here, and today I've got an unusual unboxing. So today we're going to be looking at the wireless plug-in doorbell or door chime kit. And so I got this for relatively cheap. It was only £8, and it's one that's you're able to simply plug into the wall without having to do any wiring. It's all wireless, and you can pretty much it just runs off the actual doorbell unit battery itself, and this just plugs into the main wall. And I'm guessing you can set from a lot of different chimes, which is pretty interesting. So theoretically it does take a battery in this actual unit here, which I'm sure is replaceable, but this one does not need a battery here. The actual main unit does not need a battery, which is very good. So without any further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. So it's one of this type of blister plastering here, or blister plastic, should I say, rather than the general box, which I was hoping to find it in. So let's just cut across. So because it took so long to try and get out this blister plastic, I decided just to lay the parts out and unbox it behind the scenes. So as you can see, you have the main doorbell unit, and you have the package here for the actual base for the doorbell. So yeah, that's been a very short unboxing for the wireless doorbell chime kit. So this has been Boost Tech here. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment and subscribe on the present day. Bye for now.